There's really no one way to distract them. Teenagers are a whole different kind of worms, unfortunately.
Okay.
Yeah. Not a lot of media savvy answer.
Banyak kebaikan lah untuk remaja. Okay, especially for education juga, and then untuk
A lot of them use it for creative avenues like writing fictions, doing their own research.
contohnya berkenaan dengan isu semasa dan banyak-banyak lagi lah.
But at the same time, they also use it to, let's say, enter the manosphere. Yeah, a lot of those kind of situations. But ultimately, people are trying to find their identity.
Actually, internet ni kita tak boleh kontrol 100%. Ada benda yang kita boleh tengok, ada benda yang kita tak boleh tengok. Itu semua pada diri sendirilah.
Ultimately, they are responsible for their own usage. You have to start to give them some voice on what they also think is appropriate. It's a conversation between parents.
So, influencer ke, diorang boleh share benda yang educated.
Problem is that there's of course a lot of how do I put this, nuances with what we consider misinformation. My truth is not always your truth. So that's one issue that we always have to deal with.
Tapi Instagram ke TikTok ke, itu semua macam I rasa macam susah sikit kita nak kontrol.
Okay, so saya rasa itu saja soalan saya. Saya minta maaf kalau dia berkait-kait.